Hello, good morning. This is my report on my challenge a year without shopping. April, fourth month. It's about teeth, dogs, phone, and survival. Hi everyone. Today is not just another update on my project a year without shopping, but this is a whole saga. In March, my biggest temptation was a trip to China, and in April turned everything upside down. Without this challenge, I don't know how we would survive at all. On the 3rd of April, I had two teeth removed. In total, it cost more than $1,000. Insurance covered 700 and we had to pay about 330 with a card. Well, okay, health is always important. On 4th of April, the next day, it was a real nightmare. We were attacked at 7:45 in the morning by three Rottweilers. One of them was just a puppy and was standing nearby, and the other two were cruelly tearing apart our dog Zeus. And I tried to protect him, and I was bitten too. You can see the. I was bitten too, three places. And I tried to protect him and I was really lucky that we have a neighbor who lives three houses apart away from our building. He came to us with a stick and he helped us to chase the dogs away and he saved us. And then the real spending began, not the shopping. Zeus had lots of treatments, three types of medicine. We had to pay for stitching his ear and the tail. Also, his tail was a little bit broken, but now it's all perfect, all good. There are only some scars left. All spendings were more than 2,500, or they say here 2,500. Zeus and I took antibiotics together. I also got a shot, but only for tetanus. It's an interesting thing that human medications are 3-4 times cheaper than those for dogs. After that, I went to started course of psychotherapy with a referral through Medicare. Formally, there are 10 free sessions per year. And in reality, one session costs $250. And Medicare covers only about 140, so I have to pay $110 myself. And I'm not sure if I can afford it and financially, but choosing the method when you try to recover by yourself without any external psychological help is a good method as well. My phone was damaged during the attack. At first it seemed to work, but after that there were some glitches. The screen died completely, and here's the first real purchase for the whole entire challenge. It's a new Samsung Galaxy S24. It was on sale at Harvey Norman. It is no longer an just expense, what I called expense. So this purchase breaks my a year without shopping rule, but I had to do it. Um, so, by the way, anyway, it was a replacement for the one which died. And another purchase was shoes. My old notebook shoes were stained with blood, which I didn't wash straight away. And they were already not so good. I used them only for walking with my dog. So I had to buy another, and I found a pretty nice discount. For $100, I took the replacement, and I think this is a justified purchase. And of course, I need to have my teeth replaced. Yeah. And what I decided to do, I was thinking going to Bali for that or going to Turkey. And finally, I decided to go back to Russia and put implants there. And health is the first priority. And in conclusion, I can say that if I wouldn't have this challenge, a year without shopping, then I might have broken down to emotional spending, and this way I clearly divided that purchase has to be a purchase of those things that you really need. Sometimes these things are your pets and the new phone. And by the way, there is still silence with the dog owner. The city council has not found him yet, but they are working on it, and they hope that police will help them. And the lawyers want $10,000 for that, just for searching, filling out papers, and making the dog owner's financial assessment before they decide if they take this case. Maybe you know someone who works on the principle no win, no pay. And there are some more reasonable conditions. Thanks everyone for listening and for your support. April was quite challenging month, but we are holding on. Thank you. Bye.